Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the font size of your map on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the application on your phone. After that, go to your home page and click on this menu icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Click on View and Units within the General section. And after that, you should click on this Map Font Size button at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, you have two options here. You can either set it to default or large. So click on the relevant one and then checkmark icon will appear next to your selected font size. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.